In a world where technology touches every aspect of our lives, artificial intelligence, or AI, stands at the forefront, reshaping our society and how we think about the future. But amidst the vast landscape of AI innovations, one name has been drawing attention for its potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Sora, a platform by OpenAI. But first, let me ask you, can Sora navigate the complex landscape of creativity and ethics? Let's uncover the truth. Welcome to TechMeOutNow, where technology meets clarity and curiosity. In this video, we will talk about the application of AI to video production. Hit subscribe to embark on this journey with us. Sora, OpenAI's latest marvel, stands on the shoulders of giants, leveraging DALL-E 3 technology to transform text prompts into vivid video landscapes. Yet, even as it crafts scenes with unparalleled detail, questions linger about its creative prowess and ethical compass. Sora represents the cutting edge of OpenAI technology, promising to bring unparalleled benefits across industries. With the power to generate 1080p videos from mere descriptions, Sora showcases its linguistic and visual understanding, animating static images and extending video narratives with ease. But beneath the surface, challenges in simulating the intricacies of our world persist. Limitations in physical realism and spatial accuracy expose the gap between AI potential and perfection. So, how does Sora learn and adapt? Through advanced machine learning algorithms, Sora continuously evolves by analyzing vast amounts of data, learning from its interactions and outcomes. Diving deeper, we encounter the creative hurdles Sora faces. From the struggle to capture the spontaneous spark of human creativity to the complexities of accurately depicting human interactions and emotions, Sora's journey is fraught with obstacles that question the limits of AI-driven creativity. Understanding Sora's limitations is crucial. As advanced as it may be, there are boundaries to what Sora can achieve, emphasizing the irreplaceable value of human intuition and creativity. As we marvel at Sora's capabilities, we must also navigate its ethical maze. The potential for misuse by generating harmful content or spreading disinformation places a heavy burden on OpenAI. Through collaboration and rigorous safety measures, OpenAI seeks to balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring Sora's power is harnessed for good. This exploration raises as many questions as it answers. How do we, as a society, balance the incredible potential of AI like Sora with the ethical imperatives it challenges us with? But as we embrace the dawn of OpenAI technology, concerns about job displacement and the loss of human control loom large. It's a delicate balance between harnessing AI's potential and safeguarding our societal values. Your voice is crucial in this dialogue. Share your thoughts, concerns, and hopes for the future of AI in the comments below. Looking towards the future, the possibilities of OpenAI technology are limitless. With platforms like Sora, we stand on the brink of a new era of innovation, where AI not only enhances our capabilities, but also inspires us to reimagine what's possible. For more insights into the ever-evolving tech world, stay tuned to TechMeOutNow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, let's keep questioning, exploring, and innovating together.